Power has a very specific definition in science, okay? Power is the rate at which work or energy is done. Power is work over time, or energy over time. So power is not only the ability to do work, force over distance, but it's also how quickly you can expend that energy, okay? Most athletic events, it's not enough to have a lot of energy that you can expend, do a lot of work, like swim 200 laps or whatever, run a mile or whatever, right? It's how quickly you can do it too. It's work over time. So work over time, we have a special unit. It's called watts, in honor of James Watt, a Scottish engineer who first actually quantified the energy that a horse could put out, a pony, like hauling bricks and stuff and racing. And then also Watt discovered the relationship between engines and the conservation of energy, okay? Like the heat expended and the work it can do. So normally, work energy is measured in what metric unit? Work is measured in, energy is measured in joules, time is in seconds. So joule per second is a watt, okay, to make it more convenient. You're probably used to watts at home when you have to change like a what? Like a light bulb. What would do a better job lighting up your driveway at night, assuming it's the same technology, okay? A 100-watt light bulb or a 200-watt light bulb? Right? Yeah, theoretically, a 200-watt light bulb in the same amount of time would kick out 200 joules of energy, light energy, every second versus 100 joules, okay? Now, the trend now is to have energy-efficient light bulbs. That's why we got those compact fluorescents, and now like the LED light bulbs are coming out, yeah? So I think like a 23-watt compact fluorescent bulb, or like the ones we have in the school here, they kick out the same amount of light as a 1 to 200-watt incandescent bulb, which is very wasteful. Most old-fashioned light bulbs put out more heat energy than light, okay? And then now the LED light bulbs are super efficient, down to like 3 to 6 watts. It's crazy, okay? Power is often measured in kilowatts to make it more convenient. That's what your electric bill comes in. We'll be looking at that next quarter here. Kilo, again, is a metric prefix for what? Kilo means 1,000. So how many grams in a kilogram? 1,000, right? How many meters in a kilometer? 1,000, okay? So kilowatts, 1,000 watts. And then horsepower is what we use for like big things, okay? So what will clear off your driveway better when it snows in the wintertime, yeah? A wussy 3-horsepower snowblower or like a 6-horsepower, actually that's not that powerful, 6-horsepower snowblower, 6 one, right? Because theoretically, in the same amount of time, a 6-horsepower snowblower can do twice the work, or you can do the same amount of work in half the time, is a way to look at that. Okay? You see that? So in real life, when you're working out, okay, not only are you trying to like work out your muscles, force over distance against gravity, but you want to do it with intensity over a short period of time. And a lot of athletic coaching is trying to maximize that power potential. Okay? So it's a pretty simple idea. Power is just the rate at which energy is expended over time.